Opening bracket, greetings, closing bracket. Welcome to this channel's first video. Welcome. So I would like to share with you this little oddity that I found out here on this app called Waze. If you don't know what Waze is, it is a GPS mobile app, very similar to Google Maps. In fact, Waze is a subsidiary of Google. Don't know why Google needs two GPS apps. I kind of wish Google would just stop buying companies that it doesn't need. Opening bracket, irritation equals 0, closing bracket. But yeah, so this WPG-TMC I found just exploring around in Waze. It's located in the northern reaches of Canada in a territory called Nunavut. It's very peculiar because there's really nothing out here. But what is WPG-TMC? Quick little search of it. I would also like to point out how it's, do you see how the WPG, only the W is capitalized and then the TMC is all capitalized. So yeah, the TMC is actually, it's an abbreviation. As you can see, the only real results I get is this hashtag WPGTMC, which stands for, the WPG part stands for Winnipeg, which is it's a city in Manitoba, Canada. And the TMC stands for Transportation Management Center. So yeah, so Manitoba is just, it's actually just south, it's like directly south of Nunavut, where I found WPGTMC, the location. But yeah, it's quite odd. I find that a city that's like it's like practically on like the very far south side of Canada, and this location WPGTMC is it's like very northern reaches, as you can see. It's actually like, this is Greenland right here. This is actually how I found it. I was just exploring the world, and I decided to just follow the coast of Greenland, came over here, and just wandered over here into Canada, and found WPGTMC. So, you guys want to zoom in? There's some interesting stuff in here. Let's go. So, as you get in closer, there's a lot more roads that start to become visible. I'm going to start with this main course. It has like what was this road called? Boundary. This road is called Boundary. So it's, so yeah, these are definitely something that it's like they're just drawing. These aren't actual roads. Because if you even look up this location in Google Maps, there's nothing there in Google Maps. I will show you right now. I could even, let me zoom in here. I'll even go into satellite, and there's just nothing up here. No infrastructure whatsoever. It's mountains and snow and sea. It's quite a desolate area. Beautiful though. If you ever want to see like calving, ice calving, glacial calving, something like that. It's when big chunks of ice start moving. I bet you could find a lot of that over here. Not that it's a good thing. Those are signs of global warming. But yeah. So back to WPG TMC. We have a main street right here. There's a main street, a first street, and a second street. First Avenue East, First Avenue West, and a Center Avenue. Honestly, like, I think like this was just used for kind of like testing, just to test out their the technology, this GPS technology. Like, they were just drawing roads, giving them names and whatnot, just to see if it, like, just to test how it looks on the app, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, got a whole bunch of weird little roads over here. I don't know what these little boxes are. Like, these things are weird. Probably just like testing out like how the app like kind of manages roads, because like as you're like drawing roads, there could be ways of like there could be ways of like when you're drawing roads and whatnot, that they kind of like automatically connect. If you ever done like if you ever played with like video game making software where you're placing tiles down, or even like city planning games like SimCity and stuff like that, when you're placing down roads, like they'll automatically, like the tile will automatically change to like the appropriate angles and curves according to other roads that are around it. So this is what this was all about. It's just like kind of like test that technology, if they're getting it right, the way that it will just like automatically draw these curves and intersections, stuff like that. I think possibly. But yeah, there's that big old road right there. And then there is so this huge box right here. We're gonna zoom into this road. And there's a little road right here too. No name. Nameless little road. Sorry, buddy. So if we go up, follow this road up here to the northwestern corner of this little oddity. Let me zoom out a little bit more. This is a long road. This is a very long road. I haven't measured these roads. I should measure these in like kilometers and stuff. Or you guys could do that. So we got normal freeway, Super Street, Second Street, and Main Street. Cool Canuck. Alright. What was that? HOV? HOV. But anyways, yeah, so what I really wanted to show you is this thing. Yeah, so this is definitely drawn. So this is why I'm pretty sure this is just like some kind of like tech, like testing. But yeah, this is just a weird little thing that I found on Waze. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See ya.